Have you ever felt like you just don't have enough money to start investing? That was me. I'm going to be honest, the thought of putting aside hundreds of dollars a month for investing felt impossible, which is why I was so interested in micro-investing apps, specifically Wealthsimple's Roundup feature. For those who don't know, Roundup is designed to make investing effortless. Every time you make a purchase with your linked card, it rounds up the transaction to the nearest dollar and invests that spare change. For example, a $3.30 coffee becomes a $4 charge, and that extra 70 cents gets invested. It's truly set it and forget it micro-investing. But here's the thing, just turning it on isn't the whole story. You need to link it to the right account, and that's where the best settings come in. Link to your managed portfolio. The first choice you have to make is where this spare change goes. You have the option of a self-directed trade account or a managed account. In my experience, for Roundup, the managed investing account is the superior choice for a beginner. Here's why. Automation. Roundup is the epitome of passive investing. You want that change going into a portfolio that is automatically diversified, rebalanced, and has dividends reinvested. A managed account handles all of that for you. You don't have to log in and manually buy a fractional share of an ETF every time a few cents transfer over. True set and forget, you are investing spare change, often just a few dollars a week. Let the robo-advisor turn that tiny stream of cash into a properly structured portfolio. Shield set your risk tolerance. The only other critical setting you need to master is the risk tolerance slider. For a managed account, this is the most important decision you'll make. Remember, Roundup is typically for long-term growth. You are investing money you won't need for years, maybe decades. Given this long-time horizon, I personally prefer a more aggressive setting, like an 8 or 9 out of 10 on the risk slider. A higher risk setting means a larger allocation to stocks, equities, and less to bonds. Historically, stocks have provided higher returns over the long run, which is exactly what you want when starting small. That extra 50 cents from your sandwich today has 20 to 30 years to grow. You can afford a bit more volatility for the chance at better returns. Chart increasing final strategy, don't rely on it alone. My ultimate advice on the best settings is to view Roundup as a supplement, not your entire investment strategy. While it's a fantastic, painless way to get into the habit of investing, the money you save is usually quite small, maybe $10 to $30 a month depending on your spending. That's great, but it won't build major wealth alone. Therefore, the best way to use the Roundup setting is to combine it with a separate, fixed, automated deposit into that same managed account. Start with $25 a week, or whatever you can afford. Let the Roundup feature be the bonus that tops up your consistent contribution. The winning combination is Roundup activated, linking to a high-risk managed account, plus a weekly auto deposit. This maximizes the convenience of spare change while ensuring you're putting in meaningful money on a consistent basis. That's how you truly leverage the power of micro-investing and dollar-cost averaging. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.